Swiss machining is powerful but complex. Tight tolerances, long cycles, and intricate programming can slow you down. Too many setups, too much trial and error, and it only takes one mistake to lose hours or even tens or hundreds of parts, and production grinds to a halt. Introducing CAMWorks 2026, built to simplify Swiss machining, to eliminate the chaos and bring intelligence to every cut. Add next-generation Swiss machining technology to your SOLIDWORKS. The latest release of CAMWorks delivers unprecedented levels of automation, simulation accuracy, and intelligent programming to streamline complex CNC programs for Swiss-type CNC machines. CAMWorks 2026. Drive efficient operations with powerful features, including enhanced Swiss fixturing, a Swiss-centric UI, integrated machine-aware programming, a powerful segmentation manager for long parts, embedded machine simulation, intelligent programming automation, and more. CAMWorks' easy-to-use UI and database can help you create Swiss CNC programs in minutes rather than hours, with fully associative toolpaths that will update automatically to design changes. See what you program, reduce setup time, and increase accuracy with dynamic visualization of your Swiss machine. Integrated machine-aware programming and new kinematic machine simulation will help you create even the most complex CNC programs for Swiss machines with ease right inside SOLIDWORKS. A powerful new segmentation manager streamlines programming for long Swiss parts. Segment parts easily, and toolpaths automatically adjust when the segmentation planes change. CAMWorks 2026 also enhances Swiss fixturing capabilities. Expanded collet and guide bushing libraries simplify setup with full control over rechuck length and machining positions. The latest release of CAMWorks brings expanded synchronization across Swiss configurations, main and subspindles, gang slides, turrets, end and backworking tool posts, and more. And the enhanced sync manager ensures precise timing for simultaneous machining operations. Take advantage of all new multi-channel G-code display with timing code highlighting, new folder management system, and advanced tool motion control to create first-time right programs and access a growing library of proven Swiss post processors. Speed up your workflow with intelligence-based automation. Automatic feature recognition instantly identifies machinable features, while the patented technology database lets you reuse your proven Swiss machining strategies across jobs. And to ensure first-time right programs, true G-code machine simulation using CAMWorks Virtual Machine will also be available for CAMWorks Swiss machining. From intelligent automation to advanced simulation and synchronization. CAMWorks 2026. Simplify Swiss machining. Ready to upgrade? Visit CAMWorks.com for additional information, tutorials, and real-world success stories.